Hi everyone, today we have LeetCode problem number 283, which is called as move zeros. This is easy problem in LeetCode and we're going to solve this in today's video. If you are new to my channel, then I am Radhika. This is my YouTube channel DataZard. Please do subscribe to the channel as I don't want you to miss out on any future videos. And without further ado, let's jump into solving this problem. Let us first read the problem. So the problem states that given an integer array nums, move all the zeros to the end of it while maintaining the relative order of the non-zero elements. Note that you must do this in place without making a copy of the array. So we cannot create a second array and then just keep moving the non-zero elements in it. We cannot do that. All we need to do is we need to use just this array and update the elements in this array. Let's see how we can do this. I'm just going to copy the same array over here. So we have 0, 1, 0, 3, and 12. This is our array. Now we're going to use two pointers method here because that is the most efficient way to solve this problem. And with two pointers, we will define pointer left and right. So this left pointer, this decides where the next non-zero element should go. So this keeps track of the place where we need to make the swap. And the right pointer, it moves through the list. So it goes through the list. To find non-zero elements. So now let's think about this. We have this left pointer and then we initialize the right pointer at the same place. Now first we check whether the right pointer points to a non-zero element. So this is position and this keeps value. So now both are pointing at the same position and right will store value 0. Now is 0 a non-zero element? No, it is not. In this case, we're just going to move our right. So we move our right to this position. Now here again we check whether 1 is non-zero or not. Yes, 1 is non-zero. And in this case, we are going to swap. To which position do we need to swap this with? This is decided by the left pointer. So we know this 0 position is the one which we need to swap it with. So now I'm just going to make this change. So we have 1 over here, 0 over here, and then we will move our left and right both. So now left points to this position and right points to the next position. Now again we check whether right points to a non-zero element. Currently right stores 0, left stores 1 because it stores position. So currently is this pointing to a non-zero element? No, it is pointing to 0 element. So again we just have to move our right. So we move our right to next location. Now again here we check whether this points to a non-zero element. Yes, right is storing 3 right now and it is a non-zero element. So we need to swap it with left position. So now I'm just going to remove 3 from here and swap. So 3 will go here, 0 will go here. And now we need to move our left pointer as well as right pointer. So our right pointer will point here and left pointer will also jump 1 position. Now again we check whether our right points to a non-zero element. Yes, right is storing 12 and it is non-zero. So we are again going to swap it with whatever is on the left. So I'm again going to remove this and this will become 12, this will become 0. Right reaches end of the list. This is our stopping condition and we have the final output. This is the basic logic that we need to use. Remember that we are using two pointer method. And in this 2 pointers, our left is storing the location that we need to swap with and right is storing the element that we need to swap. Let's understand this using code. I'm first going to define my left pointer and initialize it as 0 because I want to start it at the 0th location. Now for right, in range length of nums, whatever is the length of the array, if nums of right, whatever is present in the right location, is not equal to 0, it is a non-zero element, then all we need to do is nums of left comma nums of right equal to nums of right and nums of left. This is the simplest way we can do the swap, and all we need to do is update the position of left. So left is equal to left plus 1. And once this is all done, we are just going to return our nums. Now I'm just going to submit this. It is accepted, it gets accepted. All the 75 test cases, they are passed. This was a really easy problem solved using 2 pointers method. If you have any doubts, please put them down in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one.